targets in Power Trick or Trade.
Alright, I got a video here to make about AMD, and as you can see what I said here on September the 4th, I said AMD, dumb no skill analyst, AMD wants 37 long term at least. 30 to 32 calls is in the cards on the short term, right? This is what the market is saying now based on the charts. Taken from the big picture expert, we have made massive gains in options in this, but 30 are just baby targets. That's why people. So I want to show you now. What I also did is I also did a live stream, and I told everybody in the live stream we were already in it. Now the market, AMD gave you a chance to even get better price than what we paid to get into these options. But let's take a look at the outcome here, September the 15th, and how massively we hit my targets. Not just a little bit, but we're going to talk about this. This is why you want to follow the big picture expert for both health and wealth. All right, now let's take a look here. I'm going to go into PowerGroupTrades here. And you can see I said September the 4th said AMD is breaking out, people. We can use the November 16, 27 calls. They cost $380 for now, as AMD is at $27.88, because this was happening during the market. But as I said, on September the 4th, I also made a live stream showing the options, and we did have fluctuation. Let's go to the charts here. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me show you. All right, so here we have AMD, and it's September the 14th close. Today's right now, I'm making the video September the 15th, but this is September the 14th close. You can see we closed massively, powerfully, in a strong way at 32.72. So beyond the short-term targets, I said short-term 30 to 32. We went way above that. As you can see, we hit a high of 34.14. Now, these 27 calls that I'm talking about, as you can see, they closed at $745. That's a greater than 100% gains in larger priced options. When you take a look at our January calls, between that, the 200% and here, you're talking about greater than 300% gains. Now, we made greater than 300% gains in 2 option trades in AMD, in large priced options, by the way, good priced options. Right around here. Now, at this point in time, the stock clown, especially actually this day over here, in this price point over here, the stock clown, let's see here. Yeah, no, actually it was this day here, because this is he said 222.89. So he's shorting this, and the market just pops, relaxes. He's thinking something's going good for him. Boom, pops again. Again, people, there are 2 types of people: mainstream, no skill, old world skills, such as the stock bookie clown, and yours truly, non-mainstream, big picture, massive skills, massively correct, the big picture expert. You want to study everything that I tell you to study. If you don't study, you remain weak and a loser. A clown, a sheep. You'll never become a wolf. Power Trick or Trade, wolf. All right, now, so as you can see, we've doubled. And it's still not over. Damn, these are November 16 options. Tons more gains can be made in these options, or you could be selling these and rolling into something else. But AMD on the longer term probably wants higher. We're looking at 40, maybe even 50 as we get more signals. I'll be able to make adaptive thinking skills. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right. If you want to become a member and know everything that I'm doing, because I don't have time to make videos all the time, you want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades, where I post my plans. I post my thoughts. And the videos here are to educate and to empower people who are sleeping sheep to come into my group. I'm not looking to stimulate the mainstream thinkers. I want the people who are tired of mainstream and want to go with a champion, with a winner in life. Power Trick or Trade, yours truly, the big picture expert. All documented for you to see. Let's go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to my YouTube channel right over here. Let's go. This is a powerful place, by the way, because it's all here for you documented, okay? I've explained this. So here we are at PowerGroupTrades confirmation, a very powerful place. Study my health, by the way, this is a great video. I'm going to be having more videos. Study what I'm talking about on health. As you know, I'm the health and wealth expert, people. And I'm here to help people that realize that the mainstream is just not the way to go. So study my created playlist, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, a good idea is to go to my website and subscribe to my website. So my website's links over here. You click over there and you'll be able to open your eyes and figure that out for yourself. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have one, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you right now in this video one-on-one and let you know, show you an easy way to subscribe. Again, study this creative playlist. Let's see what I say. PowerGroupTrades Sandro here, the big picture expert. Now that we just finished watching that video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to study my creative playlist, a wealth of information. From plans from start to the confirmation to the end result. Powerful, powerful time-consuming videos I made for you to study, for you to witness, for you to grow mentally, for you to succeed. People, we are now witnessing the premiere in health and wealth, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video! In a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe.